Hello students, in the previous video we started with tissue, and the tissue we started with muscular tissue, and we learned striped muscle and unstriped muscle. We learned the structure and the function of striped and unstriped muscle. Today we are going to learn about cardiac muscle. So you know very well our heart is made up of a special type of muscle. That muscle is called cardiac muscle. Our heart is made up of cardiac muscle. Only our heart is made up of cardiac muscle. So let us learn the structure and the function of cardiac muscle. So we can see the structure here. The structure, the cardiac muscle is elongated, cylindrical. So coming to structure, it's elongated, cylindrical, and it has striation. It has striation. What is striation? The stripes. The stripes. So it has stripes. So we saw in skeletal muscle also it has striation. It is cylindrical. Striped muscle is also cylindrical, and here the cardiac muscle is also cylindrical and elongated. It has striation, but the striation is not that very prominent. It is mild striations are seen, whereas in striped muscle we see a stronger stripes or the striations. So striations are there. So striated, and it is branched. It is branched. So that is the major difference. Okay. So here cardiac muscle, the muscles are elongated, the cells are elongated, cylindrical, striated, but it is branched. See, it is branched in the crisscross manner. So if this is the cell of cardiac muscle, so the cell is, one cell is connected to another cell by branches. See, it is connected. So it is connected. So that's why it is called, it is, we say it is branched. Branched in a crisscross manner. Okay. So that is our cardiac muscle. It is also multinucleated. It is also multinucleated. It is not made up of single nucleus. It is made up of many nucleus or nuclei. Okay. So that is our cardiac muscle. So where it is present? It is present. So it is found only in our heart. No other organ is made up of cardiac muscle. So cardiac muscle is present only in the heart. So what is the function? How it function? You know, the alternate contraction and rhythmic movement, right? The alternate contraction and rhythmic movement, relaxation and rhythmic movement, right? So you know that our heart contracts and relaxes. So one contraction, there is one relaxation. This alternate contraction and relaxation movement of the heart is done by the cardiac muscle. The cardiac muscle is responsible for the contraction and relaxation of the heart, and it works throughout our life from the time it is formed. When it is formed, when the baby is formed in the baby's body, right? When the baby is formed in the mother's womb, from that time till our death, it constantly moves. It is the cardiac muscle which is responsible for keeping us alive. Okay, understood? This muscle has a special property that it never gets tired. Cardiac muscle never gets tired. It never gets tired. The minute it gets tired, you know what happens, right? It is immune to fatigue. We use the term fatigue. It is immune to fatigue. When we talk about striped muscle, the skeletal muscle, we get tired very soon. When you work for a longer time, when you walk for a longer time, we become tired. So striped muscle will get easily tired. Okay. Whereas even our smooth muscle also gets tired. Whereas the cardiac muscle, it is immune to fatigue. Means it never get tired. That is the speciality of our cardiac muscle. I hope you have understood all the three muscles, that is striped muscle, unstriped muscle and cardiac muscle. You have to learn the structure, function. Okay, so difference will be given. Write the difference between the three types of muscle based on the structure and the function. So you have to learn the diagram and the structure and function. So next we will be learning about the different tissue. That is, now we have learned about muscular tissue. Next we learn about the nerve tissue.